Is your pressure washer giving you trouble? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this APW Repair Center video, we're breaking down 3 overlooked reasons a pressure washer can fail and what you can do to get it back in action. One of the most common issues we see in our repair center is a clogged nozzle. Often, customers reach out to us describing a loss in pressure when they pull the trigger. While it's easy to blame the pump, we find that around 20 to 30% of pressure loss problems can be attributed to a clogged nozzle. The small diameter of the nozzle orifice can easily become clogged by debris, especially when the pump is not equipped with an inlet filter. Don't worry though, this problem tends to be a cheap and easy fix. Start by removing the nozzle. Then, use a nozzle cleaning pin to push through the orifice and dislodge the debris. Next, rinse the nozzle thoroughly and reconnect it to your wand. If a clogged nozzle was indeed the cause of your pressure loss, you should see the pressure return to normal. In extreme cases, if the debris is unable to be dislodged, you may need to replace the nozzle to restore unobstructed water flow. Another common problem we often see, funnily enough, is a kinked garden hose. If your pressure washer isn't running smoothly or has intermittent pressure loss, it could be due to a crimp in your hose. This is another frequent problem that is often overlooked. A twisted garden hose reduces the water flow to the unit, which in turn reduces the pressure of the water coming out of the nozzle. Be sure to double, or sometimes even triple check, that the water flow from your garden hose is steady before connecting it to your pressure washer. If you notice pressure loss while washing, confirm your garden hose isn't kinked, crimped, or twisted. A smooth, unobstructed hose will always give you the most pressure for your washer. Our last common source of pressure loss is a clogged inlet filter. All pressure washers should have an inlet filter to prevent debris from entering the pump. Over time, inlet filters can become clogged or damaged, especially during the connection and disconnection of the garden hose. A blocked or damaged filter can restrict water flow, leading to cavitation and increased strain on the pump, which may result in overheating and internal component failure. Clogged filters should usually only require the removal and rinsing of the filter mesh, but damaged filters should be replaced to ensure the safety of your pump. Pressure washers can be temperamental if these simple issues go ignored, but with a little attention and care, you can avoid future pressure problems and save yourself the cost of buying new equipment. For more pressure washer tips and maintenance advice, visit our website or check out more videos on our YouTube channel.